Did you see that soft and flaky flatbread? We call it Farata. Hi, I'm Saloni. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am sharing with you the Mauritian Farata that's soft, flaky, crispy, and light. If you want to make someone yours forever, consider serving this Mauritian Farata. Who knows? About knowing, did you know that I share authentic Mauritian recipes and dinner ideas every week? If that's your sort of thing, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my recipes. Okay, so let's get into the kitchen. Keep watching. If you're still watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Here we are at the end of this video. I hope you give this recipe a try and please let me know in the comments below how it went out for you. In the coming days, I will be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes that goes perfectly well with this Mauritian Farata. This is Saloni signing off. See you next week.